Hi, this is Paul from globaltradingsoftware.com, and this is a stocks swing trading tutorial using our roller coaster indicator suite. So I'm on a weird time frame here, but please guys, just check this out. If you take the whole trading day, the session from 9:30 a.m. EST to 4 p.m. EST, split it in half, you get 195 minutes. This is a really great time frame for swing trading when it's in the groove on the stocks, and that's what we look for on the roller coaster, is something that's in the groove. So this is going back all the way to October 2021. We're on Costco, and I'm going to talk through these trades for the roller coaster. The roller coaster is a stochastic MACD cross on steroids. Okay, so it does all of the work behind the scenes and prints like we do on the bottom left here. It prints a little green arrow pointing up just here, and then an entry point just at this point here. Once the stock starts to move, it starts to print a trailing stop. So there's no stress with this, guys, because you've got to wait 195 minutes for each candle to close. Then it prints another trailing stop position, and you just adjust it. So there's only 2 adjustments a day. Really simple strategy. When it breaks that trailing stop position, you get out. So at this point here, we had an entry around about 459.04 for Costco, and the exit was 538.72. So great trade. We entered here on the 18th of October, and the exit was around the 30th of November. So 6-week ish sort of swing trade, pretty standard really. 17.5% gain there. Really great trade. And then we've got to be prepared to get out. So we do get a short signal here, but it never triggered. It never went through that start point, if you like. So we didn't take the short. The roller coaster continued to go up. Then we got another short signal. This time it did break that entry and started to print that trailing stop. Took it out at this point here. Winner. We then roller coaster got down to the bottom, started to go back up again. We got a signal arrow here. Entry line was at 506.51. We got up, but it took out a trailing stop for a little profit there. The next one is the only loser in this sort of 8 to 9 month period. We got the short signal, came in, earnings just took us right back up there into that. Another thing to consider when you are trading, if you're in a position, make it risk-free going into earnings, just in case it goes against you. In this case, we were looking for a short, got good earnings, and it went up again. But then we didn't get the long trade. Don't always get them. Then we got a short signal at this point here in April 2022, took us in and just kept going and going and going and going. I mean, this move was massive. You know, we got an entry short here at 571. The lows were just above $400 there. So great trade. Again, starts to print that trading stop position. When it takes it out, you get out. Also, look at this earnings here. We did get an earnings call, so leading into earnings, once it starts moving away from there, get out, be more aggressive. Don't want to take it through earnings, but then the earnings was the catalyst for another long trade. It did get in, hasn't taken the stop out, but now started to print the trailing stop position. So we're now risk-free on this one, and again, there's no stress. So we're talking 9 months trading on Costco on the 195 minute with the roller coaster indicator suite. One loser, but some fantastic winners there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We say 5 winners because this one's the profits being locked in now. One that didn't trigger, and then another one where we've got that the loss there. So hopefully that helps. Check out the links below for the roller coaster for lots of different platforms, and see you on the other side.